Now that I've digitized my existing and proposed, I'm going to clean my screen up a little bit. I'm going to turn off my original ground contours. I'm going to go to Takeoff and digitize line string, and this is for my parking. So I name it parking, put it on the layer DES heavy duty asphalt. My current elevation is 460.97, and then I tell it where it belongs. That is right there. Now, if you read right here, the elevation of the first point can be entered before adding the first point. The elevation of other points can be entered after each point is added. So once I entered my first one, now I just digitize around. When I get to right here, I click on the line, and I click on and I add the elevation. And then I go back and I just digitize from here. Get to there, I click there, I add the elevation, and I continue on. When I get here to a spot elevation, I just click and type in 465.97. I don't hit enter, I just continue on. I click right there, and then I click on elevation, and I add this contour elevation. And you just work your way around the parking lot. 466.80. I don't hit enter. $466.65. $466.90. Click in the elevation, I add it, I continue on. So my very last point, I hit enter. And now that breaks the line and I'm done with my parking. Once I'm done with the parking, I simply left click on the line, I right click, and I hit edit. Now if I click on the vertical tab, I don't see anything. If I click on the horizontal tab, now I can see where I added my elevations throughout, and I just double check. 466.80, 466.80. So I know I'm good. The next thing I want to digitize is my building pad. I simply come to pad, it's named, I put it on a layer. Vertical offset, I'm going to ignore. I'm going to go to elevation, and we're supposed to be at 467. And now I simply just digitize my pad in. You can see once I hit 3 points, you can see the triangulation of what it would look like if you were to close it at that moment. That looks good. I hit enter, and I'm done.